Sorry for taking so long to get this to you. Been trying to get caught up with everyone else's videos, and I'm just about there. So here we go with number 1, 60 beats per minute. So remember, after you've done your hammer-ons, keep those fingers down. This way you're ready for the pull-offs. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I'm doing these and I'm transferring strings here, I'll take my picking hand and cover all the strings. This way it's a cleaner transition, especially at the slower speeds. Like at the fast speed, if I go in here to here, you can't really hear any of the sympathy string noise that happens when you do let go of the string. So when it's faster, not as big a deal to mute with the picking hand. Slow speeds, it's more important because you will hear excess stuff ringing out that you don't want. So if you find that you're getting extra noise when you're going string to string, use your picking hand to mute the strings as you transfer. 120 now. 1, maybe. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, number 2. $60. 1, 2, 3, 4. $120. 1, 2, 3, 4. $160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3. Oh, come on. Okay. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. $21, 2, 3, 4. $160, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4. 61, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. And number 5. So, working on this, focus on a line at a time initially. So basically, the goal is to be able to play the whole thing at 60. And you want to focus on just one line at a time. Make sure that you can the C chord line at 60 before working on the D minor chord line and so on. So this way you can focus on the lines that will give you the most trouble. But once you get all that, then you run through the whole thing. So let's see. I don't think I can get the whole thing on screen. No. But let's see about running through it. Okay. Oh my lord. I know what part I need to work on. So, what I would do in this situation, because I goofed that, is I would spend a lot more time with that part. And then I do it again. And usually this line can be tricky for people. So one thing that helps me in terms of kind of planning out what I'm going to be doing. So from the B diminished part going into the sus flat 2 flat 5, the pinky's an anchor finger. It doesn't have to move. In fact, it shouldn't move. So going from this chord to this chord, that pinky stays still. Ring finger is going to be on the same fret. So that lands on, just goes from the 3rd fret of the B string to the D string. And then just got to adjust the middle and index finger a bit. But when you go into the sus 4 flat 5 from here, these 3 fingers kind of move together because they're going up a string and up a fret at the same time. So they're going from here to here. You're just flipping around, you're just moving that index finger. That's the biggest mover. So the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th finger move together, up a string, up a fret, and then index finger moves down there. And then from there, your index and middle finger are anchors as you go from the sus 4 flat 5 back to the diminished. So that helps with that particular funky part. Alright, so if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you again on June 16th. Alright, we'll see you then.